Hey guys, it's Erica and I am back with another video, and today I am here to make some slime. Now, as you can see, I have 3 bottles of glue, some food coloring, my stuff is back here, and then I have activator. So let's get into it. So first, I'm going to close my eyes, or no. I'm gonna see if I can get my dad to pick the glue with my eyes closed.
Yo, my cat like that pop punch with his throat.
My dad is gonna pick in between these glues while I have my eyes closed.
Pick one?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Now, okay, so he picked the glitter glue. And so yeah. Thank you, Dad.
What?
So let's do
You
this.
attack me.
He is a horrible attacker. Now I'm not going to use any food coloring because this slime, well, this glue already like has some type of coloring because it's blue. Okay, so we have our glue, but I guess we can add in a little bit extra. No, it's too pretty. We're not going to add enough extra. Alright. Now let's get this activated on. Pour it into the cup. Okay. Mix. Now, I know that it looks like it's all ready to play with and all of that. Do not fall for that. I have fallen for that multiple times, and it didn't end well. Like, the slime turned out, ended up being a pretty great slime, but I had slime all over my hands. So, just work out on it really quickly. Like, it'll even somewhat feel ready to play with. But do not fall.
Ace might try to eat it too. Eat none of my cake. The ugly dude. No, you won't. Back away from the slime slow.
That's a bear.
You do what, Ace? Oh! You is not touching my cupcakes, boy.
I'm going to take everything.
You will not eat them.
My dad and my brother are going back and forth.
I'm going to hide them from you. You will never eat them because I'm going to hide them. Nope. I'm hiding so you can't see it where I'm putting it.
Okay. Now it's time to play with it.
Huh?
Okay. Put the spoon to the side. Put everything
You're
to the
flipping on my
side.
couch.
Okay. Now I have made slime multiple times, first time I made the slime was like in 2017 or something like that. Okay. Is sticky, but that's the point of kneading the slime. First, I'm gonna take some activator, put it on my hands to make this easier. Okay. Okay. So as you guys can see, I have made slime. It is all good. Hold on, I have to finish kneading. Now I have this soap on my hands. At least now it is not sticky, at least on me. Now we're going to test somebody to see if it will stick to them. Be right back. Oh. Okay guys, so I am back and it is not sticky. Okay. Alrighty. Now I guess we'll just do the tests. So the first test is the poke test. So let's do that. Pass. Now it's the slime swirl test. Okay. Pass. Okay. Now that this slime is small, but let's check out bubble popping and or bubble making. So yeah. Okay, bubble making. That's good. Now let's see how it is with bubble popping. You know, like bubbles pop once you take out the bubbles over. Okay. It looks like we're gonna have to do something to make the bubbles come. Okay. Oh yeah. That's a pretty good one. Okay guys, well that is the end of this video. Comment down below if I taught you how to make slime or not. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!